to my man Thato. He's still with me all the time.
R.I.P. Thato, man. R.I.P.
Thato. Long live Thato, in fact. This is R.I.P.
Yeah.
Long live Thato.
Now, in terms of music, as a group, was it also dented from you guys growing up? And did that also kill the music factor of it?
Not really, because
what? There's tracks that you did not release?
Yeah. There's songs in the
What?
Yeah.
And this is because of you guys growing up.
I family hape o sheba ke gane re qala o no sna bana o no sna di family o no sna malapa, so along the run ke bona le malapa o bona di family di responsibility di a shift wa ithola na kwa sa tsona le pele, so I guess I want to dedicate almost maybe the same time as we used to, so the responsibilities di chinchile, no wa ithola to get you. Yeah, so then, somehow it will slower down, I think, process.
So basically, Baleloko gave birth to DJ Halal.
Yes.
Since Baleloko came first,
yes.
And then maybe you want or DJ. I was.
Yes.
Did it happen like that? Producing.
Yeah. Because the more ke batla di sample, the more ke batla di loops, the more I fall in love with music. So I wanted to musical power different go collectively during the time and it batla fellow sample. So that made me to be interested to create the character DJ Halal. And I happened to the character within by myself, inspired because my main mentor when I started producing early, okay, I would say Pete Rock, but the one who hit me heavy,
Medley.
Yeah. That's why Tlhaho Ntabanyane. Quasimodo. You see what I'm saying? Medley DJ.
I'm catching up.
Happy artist.
Everything makes sense now.
Wow. Yes.
Oh.
So I one idea how authentic blind. I always wanted to do Ntwaka but next about Okopa Medley.
Yeah.
And then when the new generation music start happening, like the new sound.
Yeah.
In fact, I lost the interest of rapping for a long time. Never could take a rapper, please get out to DJ and just produce it.
And because then to you, King, what happens to an artist when he decides to do that? Is it just writer's block or is it more than writer's block?
The same thing over and over.
Oh, go at the same thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why I didn't know I had to reincarnate myself.
Yeah.
Give
us something
style.
fresh.
Yes. Because I was until one over and over when
it
becomes irritating. Mara defend. Mara when I
Thank
feel I'm tenang and over to show them style out of you. Yeah.
So DJ Halal, what happened to DJ Halal?
DJ Halal is still around.
Still around.
Yeah. There's still more mixes to be out.
Okay.
There's a whole lot.
What?
Yeah. DJ Halal is still alive.
Not bringing us to the matter at hand now.
Yes.
Tlhaho.
Yes.
Another is it an alter ego or is it a character?
Tlhaho Ntabanyane. Tlhaho Ntabanyane, that's real me.
Yeah.
Because why ke chojalo Tlhaho Ntabanyane is the side of me since ke bella sighting for a long time in batho apa ha ba tsebe ka ona bana nna ke motho wa moya ke tsamaiswa ke sedimo hohle mo keleng. Okay. That's more of my spiritual side. So if you come mamela music wa teng haholo and then you hear Bopusangomanyana, you hear more African, like you know,
you are changing or adapting to your spiritualness or finding even worse your spiritual path. I mean, as an artist, how was that? I mean, that could be tricky, I would think, because there's a whole lot of things that comes with spiritual paths and what things that you do and everything. You've always known.
Yeah.
What?
But ke le sighting ke lebeletse sighting ke sa bui ka lona ke sa entertain. Phela nna ke tswa heso ke dingaka, mme wa ka ke ngaka. Sia tla dinyala zbone ke mo prophet.
Okay. What? To your family basically.
Yeah.
So you putting in your spiritual path into your music, how did that come about? Was it something you've always thought you were gonna do, or is it just something random like, hey, I can actually do this?
No, I never prepared for that. Ke nahana hore Jenny hore ke fihle mo ke leng go change lifestyle. When I changed my lifestyle, ntho tse ngata ile tsa change, and I started to hear the little voice ka hare ho nna, the young boy saying, "You can't quit now. I'm gonna take over."
True.
So I was like, "Who's this little boy now?" Because now I don't wanna rap anymore. And I can hear the voice. It's the voice. Elinking khale ke na le yona mara ne ke avoid it because it was too high. And wa tseba khale gona mabumbe ba ka high. I want to go like a soft. Yes. The little boy, no, you never used me the whole time. How no artist. You know, avoid that original voice, which is that's why I get Tlhaho. It's the me that I was afraid of in the beginning, because I'm always been an experimental person. Because another thing about Tubasa, I grew up in 2 different countries. I grew up in South Africa and Lesotho at the same time. Because during Nakot's about the apartheid, I will switch up, get Lesotho because it's hectic this side. Plus, we're going to get a more than anything. So, so the side of me, Lesotho, throughout even Baleloko, I never really touched that. That's why how come it's more of the me that people don't know. That's why what is this side?
Okay. No, I get you.
Yeah.
At that home, if you're listening in, man, you can call us on 011-8500-079 or hit us up on our WhatsApp line 068-103-8593. It's that simple, and you can ask Tlhaho anything you would love to ask him. Right about now, we're going to go to a live performance. This is an exclusive ish. You know how we are at the cover. We give them exclusive, all right?
Okay. Before we later.
Yeah.
The beginning of the intro, what I'm gonna perform is the intro for the EP Egedwintang Winter. But I so can give a shock, and then in talk about lang we before we later buang in the beginning of the intro. And whatever I buanda, it's real. Yeah. Whatever right. You're gonna hear that, if it's scary, if it's what, know that it's real.
Let's go straight to it.
Yeah.
Brand new music, Teta FM.
Yep. Ke hotse ka moqoqoqoqwan qoqolosi, ke hotse ha di jobo ska leka thokolosi, ke hotse ka di thoko ska leka mekelesia, ke hotse ka sekhankula banna le lesiba, le hobelo di tshomo maele le megibo, botho khotse meyene le leseko seruwe tepe na hene le lesiko, tele di sane di taben ne le pecho. Can break them down there.
What? Exclusive music from the upcoming project Tlhaho. The project itself, let's talk about the project. How many tracks are there? Who did you work with on production?
10 tracks, one producer, my protege. I don't produce anything. Oh, maybe I did say Tunyana, but half of the time I let my protege produce the songs. Obani, he's able to fit the young me in me to come out. Because if it's me producing, I'm always gonna take out the older me, which is sham, and I'm done with the older me.
Oh, yeah. now I understand. All right.
Yeah.
The feel of the album, even worse.
Yes.
With you changing to Tlhaho
Yes.
and adjusting to this new path.
Yes.
How are your people finding it? How are your day ones finding it? How are the new fans who are just coming in right now to Tlhaho finding it?
I don't really know about Batuabangata or Bafila, but so far ba around not that close. Few OGs I know they seeing what I'm doing, even though it might be weird in Yana for Bono. Hey, what's that? Mara, ba yo this is way better than
fresh,
what you have ever been.
Yeah.
You know, like,
Yeah.
oh, not just this intro. I'm basically explaining how I grew up. Hane ke le Lesotho. So ke hotse ka batho bana ba le peaceful, o thola hore ntho engwe le engwe ba e ja, it was natural. And then ke hotse ka di-talk, ke hotse ka like the full culture, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
The full culture completely.
I think that's the other thing that's more beautiful about this new venture of yours as Tlhaho. It's original. It has that culture in it. Has the spiritual in it. It's just fresh. There's nobody else doing it even worse. I think that's what I really really like about it more than anything else. So for Abantu who are going to be hearing it for the first time, especially the AP that's coming, what can they expect from it?
All I can say is that open your mind and pay attention to. So this is actually the young and the grown up in me, both in one. Maybe the voice or the style might sound young, but the maturity of things, I'm sure you just heard now, like what I just did, and it's 100% my language. The idea during the times busy as halal, because I did get an opportunity to collaborate with a couple of Americans that I worked with, even Steve Brooks. I see he's popular now to most South African people now, and was one of the people that I worked with.
You've been
so what? I realized during that time, I like the Americans on a mixtape. Sorry, these people are not interested who American.
True, culture. That originality itself.
Yeah. So during that time, I realized, if I were to rap again, I have to really so to like given yes.
Let's give people more music, man. What else you have for us? What else you have for us?
I just go to the folder there.
Yeah, there it is.
We got that. So, I refer to what? That one, number 2. Yeah.
Oh, number 2.
Yeah,
right.
Oh yeah.
Brand new music, man. Tlhaho Ntabanyane in the buildings to come up. Teta FM.
Yeah. Ahera.